In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Google Contacts using a CSV file. If you've gathered contacts from another service or a spreadsheet, importing them into Google Contacts is quick and reliable once you know where to click. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account in your browser and have your CSV file ready on your computer. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet format. It helps to include clear column headers like name, email, and phone, so Google can recognize each piece of information. If you can, save it in UTF-8 encoding to avoid special character issues. Start by opening your web browser and going to contacts.google.com. This takes you to Google's Contacts homepage. Give it a moment to load and confirm you're looking at the account you want to update. You'll see a navigation panel on the left. Look for the option labeled Import. Click that to open the Import dialog. A small window will appear asking you to select a file. Click the button that says Select File. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your CSV is saved, select the correct file, and confirm your choice. If you maintain multiple CSVs, double-check the file name and date so you import the right one. It's a good idea to keep your CSV clean, avoid duplicate rows or empty lines, so your contacts come in tidy. Once your file is selected, you're ready for the final step. Click Import. Google will begin processing the file. For smaller lists, this usually completes in a few seconds. Larger files can take a bit longer. When it's done, your new contacts will appear in your list. Often, Google adds them under a label called Imported with the Date, which makes them easy to find as a group. If any entries look off, don't worry. Google Contacts is pretty good at recognizing duplicates and may suggest merges to keep your address book clean. You might also spot an undo link right after the import finishes, which lets you roll back if you accidentally chose the wrong file. For best results, review a few contacts to confirm names, emails, and phone numbers landed in the right fields. That's all there is to it. By preparing a clear CSV and following these clicks, open Google Contacts, choose Import, select your file, and confirm. You can move your address book into Google in minutes and keep everything organized across your devices. Thanks for watching and happy importing.